Hi everyone, here we are going to make this beautiful Christmas tree with a very unique method. First cut some green and white color of strips from paper and fold all of them and make these beautiful little stars. Now we are going to paste all of them on the top of this cone using double-sided tape. So color the entire cone like we are doing here and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful Santa Claus. So cut some circles and paste all of them one after another. Paste the red color of cone. Similar way, we're adding eyes on the top of the Santa Claus. Paste its nose. Now we are going to add more details. Paste its hands and paste all of them on this red semicircle using double-sided tape, and look, it's ready. We're going to make snowflake using craft paper. So take this white craft paper, fold all of them and make a triangular shape. Now draw lines on the top of it, cut it using scissors, open it gently, and look, your white snowflake is ready. We're going to make this beautiful wreath design for Christmas Day with a very easy method. So take a straw, make multiple cut. Now we are going to dab color on the top of it in a circle like this, and look, it's ready. Similar way, add more colors like balls we are doing here. Paste a bow at the center, write Merry Christmas, and look, it's ready. In this video, we're going to make these beautiful cards for Christmas Day. So take some clay and spread all of them like this. First, we are going to spread this green clay, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. You can also make small balls and paste all of them, and look, it's done. Third, you can also spread it and make a triangular shape. Paste stars and add more details using pink clay, and look, it's done. Let's make this very creative craft. You're cutting gloves from this craft paper. Paste all of them on this black circle. Now draw outline and paste glue. You can also paste cotton or some sponge pieces on the top of it. Add more details. We're pasting these heart shaped. Combine all of them, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make this artwork using craft paper. We are making snowman. So cut two circles and paste it on this blue craft paper. Similar way, draw its eyes and paste its cap, draw its hand. Now we are adding more details, like we are pasting this tissue paper as snow, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make this surprise toffee. You can also put gifts inside it. So we are going to fold this printed craft paper, fold it and cut it from its sides in a shape of toffee. Now we are going to make V cuts at the edges using scissors, and look, it's done. After this, you can also put some gifts inside and wrap it like this. We're tying this thread, and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful design using craft paper. So take a red craft paper, fold it and make a triangular shape. Now using this pen, we are going to draw a shape like this. Cut it, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this beautiful design using craft paper. So you can take whatever color you like. We are taking this red color of paper. Make multiple fold, draw this design, cut it, and look, it's ready. Let's make this 3D Christmas tree using paper. So we are going to fold this green craft paper, fold it, now make a triangular shape. Now we are going to make 3 such shapes in different sizes and dab all of them like we are doing here, make a triangular shape. Now we are going to make the stand. So take this blue craft paper, fold it, now it's ready. Put the tree on the top of it, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Cut these sock shapes and paste it on the top of this black circle. We're going to decorate it further. You can use this artwork for Christmas Day, and you can do this activity with your kids at home. Thank you so much for watching this video.